You are welcome back to my channel, my lovely subscribers. And if this is the first time you are tuning in, you are highly welcome. Okay, now I'm going to give you a detailed tutorial on how to solve this. Yes, the first thing is, anytime you see something like this, remember that whenever you have square root of something, say square root of a, if you want to get a, you need to square this to remove this root sign so that you can get a. Now, everything we are going to do, we are going to try to make everything under this root sign to be a square so that we can remove this square root sign and get our answer. Now, this is the easiest way to manipulate this. We have root 5 here. Can we get 5 from here? Yes. 9 plus 5 is what? 14. So that is the first thing we need to do. We are going to see why I had to check that and why I had to do that. Okay. So we start with, this is equal to the square root of 441 plus 16 roots. Now 14 is 9 plus 5 plus 6 root 5. Okay. Now remember that square root of a all squared is equal to a. Excuse me. That means that we can write this to be equal to the square root of 441 plus 16 square root of, now 9 is 3 squared, and we can write 5 as square root of 5 squared. Okay, plus, now if you look at 6 here, 6, is there anything we can do this 6 to get 3? Yes, 6 is same thing as 3 times 2, so we can write 3 multiplied by 2, then root 5. Okay, now remember that a plus b all squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So this is equal to the square root of 441 plus 16 roots. Now this is same thing as 3 plus root 5 squared, right? 3 plus root 5 squared, because this is same thing as a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b, whereby our a is 3 and our b is root 5. So we have succeeded in doing this, so we can now remove this and this. Okay, so we now have the square root of 441 plus 16. This will now remove this. We have 3 plus root 5. You can see that this is getting simpler, right? Now, if this is the first time you're tuning in, please hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss our lovely videos. All right, we upload our videos as often as possible. Tune in at your convenience. There must be something new for you to watch. Now give us a thumbs up if you actually love what you are doing. All right, thank you so much. I appreciate that. So we can write this to be equal to the square root of 441 plus 16 times 3 is 48 plus 16 root 5, sorry. Now it's time for us to simplify root 441. Now for root 441, this is the easiest way to simplify a surd. Okay, draw your line, write the number. Look out for the smallest number that can divide this. Now the smallest number that can divide this is 3. How do I know that? I know because 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. And once the sum of the digits are equal to a number, the sum of the digits is equal to a number that is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 3. So 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. So definitely 441 is divisible by 3 using the rule of divisibility. So let's see, 4 divided by 3 is 1 remainder 1. 14 divided by 3 is 4, remainder 2. 21 divided by 3 is 7. Now let's check if this is divisible by 3 again. So 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 7 is 12. So 12 is divisible by 3, so 3 can divide this. We go again. 14 divided by 3, 4, 4 remainder 2. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Now this is very obvious that 7 can divide this to give us 7 and 7 can divide this to give us 1. Okay, so you can see that this is 3 squared times 7 squared. 3 squared multiplied by 7 squared, right? Which is same thing as 3 multiplied by 7 all squared, which is same thing as 21 squared. Okay, so we are now going to write this to be equal to the square root of 21 squared plus 48 plus 16 root 5. So this will now give us the square root of this. We remove this and we have 21 plus 48 plus 16 root 5. So this is equal to the square root of 21 plus 48 will give us 69. So we have 69 plus 16 root 5. Now again, anything you have under the root sign, find a way to get it from what you have here. All right, now what we have here is 69. We can get 5 from 69, and that is 64 plus 5. So that is the first thing we need to write. So 69 is 64 plus 5. So this will be equal to the square root of 64 plus 5 plus 16 root 5. Now 64 is same thing as 8 squared plus 5 is same thing as root 5 squared plus, now let's try to bring out 8 from 16, which will give us 8 multiplied by 2. So we can say 2 multiplied by 8 root 5. And you can see that we have successfully formed another this. A plus b all squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So this is equal to the square root of 8. Our a is 8 and our b is root 5. 8 plus root 5 squared. Amazing, right? Then let us apply this. That a squared, square root of a squared is equal to a. So this is equal to, this will remove this and we are left with 8 plus root 5. And that is the answer. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.